Hello everybody, we're here today in O3. Behind me is Rockford House. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom detached property, plenty of off-road parking, reception rooms and 3 bathrooms. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. This has been Rockford House in O3. If you've loved it as much as we have, give us a call on 01823 271 681.